How is Madame Pelicot?
She is very tired because she has been participating in this trial for 3 months and a half by now. She's relieved to see that the process is reaching its end, and also I think that she feels confident in the court to take the right decision. At least she has the feeling that she did everything she could to try to explain what happened to her. I think that mostly she is really relieved that it's almost over.
Can you tell me a bit about your journey with her?
It's been a very, I would say, very rich journey, because we could have never imagined what happened, discovering what happened to her on the 2nd of November 2020. It was probably the biggest shock in her life. But now it was a different kind of test that was coming, having to lock herself in the same room as her aggressors, listen to their voices for the first time, accepting to see an unbelievable level of her private life being revealed to the public in a very hard to imagine way.
What was your counsel to her when she said, I want to waive my anonymity?
Well, at first, Mrs. Pelicot really was considering a closed-door hearing. She felt ashamed at first, really ashamed, and she understands that this is probably the most natural feeling for a victim of this kind of abuse. But at the same time, she wanted to send the message that it's not for the victims to be ashamed because they didn't do anything wrong. When she took the decision to open the trial to the public, she did it because she felt that it was necessary for the public to understand what happened to her. She never did it because she wanted attention. She also believed that the fact to open the doors of the courtroom could empower other women to do the same.
Did you ever expect this trial to get the attention it has, not just in France, but worldwide?
No, not at all. It really came as a big surprise, but it's not such a big surprise because it simply means that the questions that are addressed in this trial are universal questions. The relationships between men and women, the patriarchy, representations that men grow up with, all these questions are universal. In 2024, still, many of the accused told the court that they believed that there could be no rape because the husband was in agreement with what was happening and that, in fact, he had invited them to come. We were preparing Gisèle Pelicot for what would be one of the most difficult periods of her life, but she never stopped to surprise us because she's very resilient, she's very focused, courageous, but she's mostly very humble.